Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley, and thank you for clicking on my video. I'm going to be showing you how I use the Hair Diagrams Bold Hold Liquid Gold to apply this unit. But before we start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, you guys, let's get started. This unit is about a year old, and I purchased it from Ali Pearl. I had to customize this hairline because I have a low hairline, and if you want to see how I customize the hairline using Nair hair removal, which I did get that idea from the hair diagram, I will link the video in the description box below, as well as linking it in the top right hand corner of this video. Now, as you guys might have seen, that this unit is a HD lace, and I applied some makeup on the lace. I didn't have any powder foundation, so I used liquid foundation. Here is the product I will be using to temporarily hold this unit in place. It's the Hair Diagram Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and it's a temporary hold. It's glueless and holds stronger than the Got to Be Glue freeze spray. Definitely check out the Hair Diagram YouTube channel as well as her website. I will be linking those two in the description box below. Okay guys, now you see me tugging on the unit to show that it has a nice hold. To remove the unit, all you have to do is apply some water where you had applied the liquid gold. It should slide right off. Now if you guys stayed to the end of the video, please subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell, like, share, and leave me a comment below. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.